Hey, this is James again, and I am actually doing a different video today. I'm doing an opinion video. Of course, it is Christmas time. I do not say holiday time. I say it's Christmas time because I am a Christian, and I believe it's very important. But many times at this time of the year, Starbucks puts out their what they call their holiday cup. So I'm going to go to show you a little bit what's happening this year, and just letting you know that I really typically just go to other coffee shops, but it just kind of giving you a little bit of info about what Starbucks is doing today. So we're going to go to the computer and we will show you what Starbucks is doing for this year at Christmas. Thank you for taking the time to watch my video. Make sure you subscribe, and if you are a church, ministry, or nonprofit organization, I would like to talk to you because I can help you maximize your marketing efforts. We thank you again for watching this video, and we hope these tips, these helps, do help your organization or small business. Be sure to subscribe. Alright, I already have the pages set up or pulled up, and so I actually did. I'll just go ahead and let you know I did do some Google trending and see what all they are looking at. But did Starbucks just replace Christmas with coffee on its new holiday cups? And this is actually from this year, 2019, and it talks about for its annual holiday drinks and cups announcement. The most exciting of these developments is Starbucks' use of the phrase "Merry Coffee" in this year's branding. And a lot of times there are major protests several years, and different ones really get upset. You know, it's a coffee shop. I'm just going to give my opinion. I like everything Christmas. I don't say holidays a lot. In fact, when I'm in a store, I tell the cashier Merry Christmas. But that's why this is my opinion video. Polka dots. The traditional Starbucks red cup is dotted with green, with the siren playfully popping in and serene playfully popping in and there. Merry Dance, it's a lively pairing of red-green letters jazz up a snowy white cup. Merry Stripes, from a distance the cup looks like it's wrapped in green vintage wrapping paper, but up close, Tiny Type offers a happy holiday sentiment, and then they have the candy cane stripe. So this is what, in fact, here's a picture of them. They have several different, what they are calling their holiday cups. I wish they would call it the Christmas cups. Alright, Starbucks holiday cups unveils 5 new holiday cups, including an environmentally friendly reusable one. Oh yes, got to get the environment friendly in there. But Starbucks and holidays go together like coffee and cream. The coffee chain announced Wednesday, this is November 7th, that their signature holiday drinks will be available starting Thursday, November 7th. So you can get them right now. And they are talking of the holiday cups, and there again, I think it ought to be just Christmas cups, and there's a video showing you that. But what I want to get to is bring your reusable red cup this holiday. Customers who received this year's reusable red cup can bring it back to a participating Starbucks store after 2 p.m. November 7th, of course that's currently right now, to receive a discount off their handcrafted grande holiday beverage for a limited time. Each year, the arrival of Starbucks red cup signals the return of the holidays. To celebrate the start of the season, Starbucks is giving customers who order a holiday beverage at participating Starbucks stores in the United States and Canada a free limited edition reusable red cup. And then you'll be able to bring the cup back and get a discount. So it's a gift that keeps giving. Customers who bring their 2019 reusable red cup to a participating Starbucks store in the U.S. and Canada will get 50 cents off their handcrafted grande, and that's a 16-ounce holiday. So I'm just going to go ahead and give you my opinion. I am a huge coffee drinker, and since we're talking of coffee, I'll have the my coffee reviews in the corner there. And I do coffee reviews. I'm a huge coffee drinker. And of course, when we travel, I've traveled all over and gotten Starbucks several different places. But I now focus on the kind of the culture, or the wherever I'm traveling, the local coffee shop. I like coffee, black coffee. So I'm going to pause just a minute. We're going to drop in our video, and we'll be back and give our full opinion. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you smash that subscribe button, and we really want to connect with you. Hit the subscribe button, share this with your friends on social media, and then below in the description, connect with us on our social media channels. We have affiliate links that you can sign up with and purchase products. We also have email lists that you can sign up with. But most of all, subscribe, connect with us on our YouTube channel. So if you have any desires that you would like to see, any tech, any product reviews that you would like, please comment below. Every comment that is below, we give a free download or free video intro or something. Everyone that comments gets something free. So comment below. Thank you for watching this video, and we will get back to the video. Okay, we are back, and let me end this video with just giving my full opinion of Starbucks. Number one, their coffee is high priced. Yes, I've bought a lot of it over the years, but I have backed off of it. Two, because I do not support what they support. I am a Christian, and they have, a couple years ago, they went out and they basically came, the CEO told us to go. So I think I've been back in the last 2 years. I think I've been at Starbucks maybe 2 times, maybe. And I will support the local coffee shop. But it ticks me off of how this political Christmas season, Christmas is the time of year, it's a happy time of year, but it's Christmas. So that's my opinion, and I'm, just showed you what Starbucks is doing, and you do whatever you want. I'm not selling anything. I mean, you can connect with us. Ask you to share this video, subscribe to us, and go down to our social media and follow us on our social media channels. But thank you for watching. It's my opinion, and you can do with it what you want. Have a great day. Wishing you a Merry Christmas, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.